are hitting the 30-day mark. The time you're watching this video, we have less than 30 days left before our drawing for the red Coyote swapped Whippled 92 and the black Coyote swapped and Whippled 90 model LX. The closer we get, the faster the spots are going to fill up. Do not wait. Lock in your spot now. Once we're full, you will not be able to enter into this drawing. Join the community, watch the videos ad-free, promotion-free, join the conversation, and get in on these insane giveaways. Hit the link, sign up now, get your spot locked in. Do not miss out. This is a once-in-a-lifetime drawing. Good luck. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, this is full rips in a Terminated Mach 1. Long time coming. Ready to fill this. That is a proper Mach. Hell yeah. So the cool story about this car is I found this thing on a used car lot in a kind of sketchy area of town back in 2019, and it needed a freaking motor. Damn. So we pick it up, put a used Mach 1 motor in it, got it running halfway decent, and our good buddy Brian bought the car. And as soon as he got it, he got busy. Had the car repainted, had the interior redone, and then dropped in a 5-liter stroker with ported heads, cams, long tubes, the whole 9 yards. But it was still missing something. That's something? Well, some Terminator power. Yeah, that's right. She's good to go now. So this is the Stage 6 ported Eaton. It's got the upgraded intercooler brick. It's got all the custom pulleys, brackets. Not sure on pulley size, but upgraded heat exchanger in the front. This thing is dialed in. And then Brian took it down to Moe's Speed Shop in Dallas, Georgia. They got the tune dialed in. This thing rips, and this is exactly what this car needed. I mean, let's be honest. A stock Mach 1's not really going to blow your skirt up, but this thing will. So the interior is absolutely mint. He had the front and rear seats totally redone. Got nice carpet. I mean, it's just very, very clean, understated, no crazy doodads. Got your boost gauge, doubled in radio. You don't need anything else. Just clean and simple. Thing sounds amazing too. So I don't know the exact dyno numbers. I think it was around 550, so it's conservative. It's not, you know, it's not on E85 or anything, just pump 93. And it's just a lot of fun, like a lot of fun. That Eaton wine, baby, you can't beat it. Unfortunately, we're on street tires, so I kind of got to behave, but yeah, this thing is plenty of fun. You could have a lot more, but honestly, all you're gonna do is spin tires at this point. This thing's freaking amazing. All right, so while we're on a new edge kick, because we do love new edge, guys, and I know there's a lot of you out there, so we got plenty of coming. Like this one. If you guys saw the last video, this is one of our next projects. You can see we scored a set of wheels from our good buddy Chris. Got some 315s on it. Those look much better than those raggedy, the old ragged S550 wheels. But the only thing we're waiting on is motor mounts, and I'll show you why, because we're about to drop the engine in this car. All right, let's get in here. Oh yes, must mention, this thing followed Dover home the other day. Nice little 65. Drop me a comment below. You guys want to see some content on the 65? Pretty cool old ride. Rust-free Tennessee car. About to do some 5-lug swappage and disc breakage. But anyway, let's get back to it. So last week, got all the drivetrain essentially ready to rock. Transmission, clutch, flywheel. Like I said, guys, this is just a pull-out 3650s. They work amazing behind a Coyote, like amazing. Whew. Yeah, got the Speed Engineering headers. Dover had these already. He had ordered 2 sets a while back, so he went ahead and put these on there, so we're not going to use the Hooker Blackhearts. But again, this is Gen 1 Mustang engine, TR3650 out of a 02, 03 GT, and it's going to be great. So, like I said, we're just waiting on the motor mounts. Then we're going to get the car on the lift. We're going to pull the AJE K-member out, put the UPR in it, and drop the whole freaking thing in the car. So if you guys are all about the new edge, especially the swaps, we got you covered. And also, there's several videos here on the channel where we did step-by-step. One of them is start to finish new edge swap. They're very straightforward, and they make great driving cars. And ironically, this Coyote swap one is going to make very close to what the Terminator swap Mach 1 did. The Coyote is a cheat code, especially in the new edge cars. So I will say, once it cools down a little bit, we get boost weather and we get some drag radials on the back of this thing. Maybe we'll try it again. It was definitely spin fest. But this car, God, it's come so far. And, you know, at this point, you just leave it alone. I mean, it's fun, it's clean, excellent drivability, excellent manners. Amazing interior. This thing is the perfect street car. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I certainly did, because I got to rip this Terminated Mach 1. But if you did, please drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one.